got a code for misfire. So what I did to find out which coil pack it was that was missing, because it was a misfire on 2 cylinders and then a random misfire. So the way I figured out which one it was, so unplug it. If you don't notice a change, that's the one that's bad. And if you unplug a different one and it runs differently, it runs worse, rougher, that's not the bad one. So that's how I figured out which one it was that was bad. Spark plug wire goes here and goes to the back side. Front spark plug plugs in there. There. Now I marked it. So now I know this one is a bad one.